Hey, welcome back to GT Canada. Today we are talking about my in-car video setup. So I am using this right now. I have just upgraded my camera to one that I want to try out and do a quick review for you guys at home. So I am currently filming on this camera. This is a Costco special 4K action camera. It is called ExploreOne Wi-Fi 4K. There's nothing extra special about this camera. In fact, we had before the ExploreOne Wi-Fi camera. It did not film in 4K. That one filmed in 1080p. At least that's what it said. I have reason to believe that that one actually was filming in maybe 720 and then just blowing up the video resolution to do a simulated 1080p. Now this one is listed as a 4K camera, but like the non-4K one, I have reason to believe that this one is not actually filming in 4K, but I think it might be filming in 2070K instead, which is a kind of half 4K high-res format. The resolution that this camera supports fits in line with how I'm filming with my other rig, and if you haven't seen that setup, check out the link up here, which I'll show you my current mobile on-the-move rig. In my truck, I have always got it set up for filming, to do segments like this, car stories. I find it more convenient just because I often find myself driving somewhere and I can either listen to music or I could film a fun YouTube video to upload for you to watch. So I'm hoping that this will be a suitable replacement. So now that you've got an explanation of what this camera is supposed to do, let me tell you what the specs are. So it says it's a 4K camera, and I've already covered that I believe it's not a full 4K and that they just expand it out to be a 4K resolution, even though the image sensor itself is not a 4K image sensor. The rest of the features though, it does have Wi-Fi enabled, which allows you to run an app on your phone, which gives you real-time playback so you can monitor what you're filming, which is excellent for framing out your shots and just keeping an eye on the overall shot as it takes place. So I got this one from Costco. If you look at the reviews on Costco, it has a relatively low star rating. The biggest complaint that I saw in there was that they could not get it to connect to the Wi-Fi app. Now, I have not had this problem at all. I connected to the Wi-Fi, punched in the password, opened the app, said connect, and it connected right up with no issues at all. So I believe that it might be user error, which is causing the complaints, or there might be bad batches out there and I just happened to get one that was a good batch. This one supports slow motion, 1080p, it will do 60 frames per second. If you drop that down, I think 720 will do 120 frames per second. I'm not so interested in that. I'm not gonna do high speed filming with this, but it is capable of it. It comes with a ton of extra accessories that are all GoPro-like. And I say GoPro-like because one thing that you're gonna find with any of these generic action cameras is even though it looks similar to GoPro, it's actually not compatible with true GoPro accessories. So if you're converting to the knockoff accessories, you would have to convert all of them to that and move all your GoPro legit accessories into a storage bin and save those for something else. The package comes with a lot of stuff. 32 gig memory card, charging cable, car mount, a number of GoPro-like connectors, clips. It comes with a lightweight tripod that can be used for a lot of different purposes. So even with all the accessories alone, this device is on sale at Costco for $40 Canadian, $39.99 Canadian. So it seemed like a no-brainer. You get a camera and all these extra mounts. I figured I'd take that chance. Like I said, this video that I'm filming right now is 100% shot with this camera. You can decide for yourself if the camera's any good. For me, running in the car, this seems like it will be a viable solution as an upgrade and give a little bit better video quality for you guys, the viewers at home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got lots of other great videos similar to this that focus around tech and vlogging and that sort of thing, but I also do a lot of videos on cars and automotive and then just general lifestyle type videos. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you can get notifications when the next video comes out. While you wait, check out some of these videos here, and I'd love to see you again. Have a great day.